to Inner Life 101.
Hello, everyone. Thank you for showing up for another Inner Life 101 video. In this video, some of you guys probably already seen the live, but um, many months later now, Eligio, aka Nature Boy, Father to Hootie, and today he's calling himself Baba G. And he had many other names, of course. And which I would like to ask you people, I would like to ask you guys, I would like to ask you people to stop telling this man, stop calling him these other people names, because other people have worked hard. Baba G is a yogi. You can look it up on the internet. He's a yogi and some kind of guru, and he has worked throughout his life to become that. He he did the good that yogis do and mystical men do. Uh, and he had to live a life according to that. He had to study himself to get to, you know, the peace and the joy and the fame where people was calling his name. And then this person on this that you see on the screen decides he liked that, so he want to take his name, and of course he's going to smudge dirt on the man's name. Okay, so let's not help support him in that. Let's not support him in that. But anyways, here we have the video. See, Eligio's been lying. He's been lying, telling people that, oh no, I would never touch my daughter, and I would never. I'm not a pedophile, and I wasn't. I was dancing with my daughter, but I had a battery pack in my pocket, and that's what they saw. They didn't see my penis. He's lying. He's straight up lying. Like we don't know what a penis look like when it is becoming erect. A battery pack is going, and then it was in front of his pants too. So it wasn't on the side of his pants where pockets are. This man is crazy. Uh, Rather, I won't say he's crazy. Well, I guess he is for what other people use the word. I try not to use that word, but other people use that word, and yes, he is pretty bad. So anyways, in this video, I'm going to let you hear him tell those lies, and then I'm going to show you that video again and let you see exactly what happened. So prepare yourself for that. And let me shout out to Who Dat Grand on Instagram and Immortal Karma on YouTube for their putting together these videos.
That's crazy. If you just go back and watch the video, it's in my pocket. It's just not my penis. Yeah. She said change clothes. I see when she said that too. She's like, babe, but I'm like, come on, man. It was not, no. Maybe she was looking at, like, because you know how women are, like, I have a big penis, but I'm not hard, my nigga. Like, she might have seen the pack in my pocket too, but honestly, like, truly, like, I had the battery pack in my pocket. Like, not seen that shit. I never looked at the video because I didn't have to. I was like, that's fucking sick. God, that's my fucking battery pack in my pocket. And they fucking took that shit, and it was like, I was hard dancing with my daughter. Like, oh, come on, bro.
Okay, so let's look at the other video and remind ourselves of what happened, because he's trying to explain it away as if it's all done.
it's like, hey, what the hell is going on here? What in the world? Oh no, he is not. You better sit down, them gray pants. You need to change your outfit. Babe, babe, change your outfit. Why? Change your outfit. Why? Babe. Why? Babe, change your outfit. You are worried about him changing his pants instead of saying, put the baby down. Any rational mother, if you see your child with the man and his eggplant is extended, you're going to say, change your pants, so you better put my damn baby down. Oh my God. I cannot do it. I cannot. I can't do it. Oh my gosh. She's going to have a nerve to say, we're going to get rid of them sweatpants. No, we're going to get rid of you. Don't forget the sweatpants. We're going to get rid of you. That's what we need to get rid of, you. Warning. The narcissist actually masturbates with other people's bodies. She do. That's the baby. That's the baby. I tell y'all that he is intentionally letting that baby's foot swipe across his Peter bird like that. He's making sure her foot is hitting it. Like, for instance, right? When I was dancing with my daughter, I never explained it because I thought it was silly. But I feel like I need to explain that. Like, let me show you something. I'm going to turn the light on. Okay. I was going to ask, can I see, but it was... No, I'm going to show you. I want you to be comfortable. I'm going to show you. Wait, is this a light? Oh, here. Oh, hold up. I don't want to show you too much. Okay, can you see me? Do you see this? You know what this? You know what this is? It looks like a portable battery charger. Okay, now if I put this in my pocket, right? In my pocket, right? I have these in my pocket. This was in my pocket when I'm dancing with my daughter. And they said my heart. But the fact that you can't even like share a precious moment with your child without people nitpicking and look. Never looked at the video, right? Because it was so silly, I never looked at the video, right? When I'm looking at the video, I'm like, yo, that's battery pack. It's literally my battery pack in my shit. Look, my battery pack is in my pocket, and I have no back on. And I'm like, that is not my penis. That's my battery pack. Because I be charging my phone while I'm on live. He lost his ID. I be charging my phone on live. And so I have my battery pack in my pocket. Go back and look. You can see. Oh my God, that's my fucking battery pack in my pocket. And they fucking took that shit. And it was like, I was hard dancing with my daughter. Like, oh, come on, bro.
So everyone, I want to leave this picture on here to burn it in your memory. Eligio is a pedophile. Okay? That is the front of his pants. That is not a pocket. Where is the pocket? Pockets usually are on the side. In those gray sweatpants, I don't even see a pocket. I haven't seen a pocket slit on the side of his pants at all. So, you know, it's self-explanatory. He's just trying to make himself look better with people that really didn't watch it over and over again, or people who didn't edit it, you know, like we had to, you know, but this must get out there, and he's not, and he should not be allowed to explain it away, because this did happen. And this was not out of his mouth. This was actually seeing what he was doing. But see, the thing is about this, guys, is that Eliseo Bishop he teaches them that, children at a certain age can have sex after a certain age. Girls can have sex after they start their period. Okay, and then he teaches that it's okay. I mean, we seen the ones where he had Aya, the baby was sucking on Aya breast when the baby was 1 month old. So, he has taught that there was nothing wrong with children being intermingling sexually with adults and with their parents and all of that. He teaches that. So that's why he don't feel uncomfortable standing up there doing that, knowing that these women are in the room, knowing that he's being recorded. He does not have a problem with it because that's what he want everybody else to believe. Everybody else should be pedophiles as well. Everybody else should not realize that being with children is an oddity. That's abnormal. Okay? Because when you become a man, you should grow to women. You should not be a child. And you are in your childish mind when you start bringing children in your sex acts. Okay? And of course, it's demented. Some people can still bring children and animals and all of that into their sex acts. And if you do that, you're going to become exactly what people say you are. And in this case, Eliseo is a pedophile. Anyways, guys, you have seen it again. And I want to hear a little bit more about what he said. Oh, well, we already got that information where he's saying that it was a battery pack in his pocket. Like I say, if you got battery packs in front of those sweatpants, then yeah, you could explain that away. But I guarantee you, we're women. we know a battery pack in front of a man's pants, and then so you rubbing the baby's foot on your battery pack, huh? Okay, and we can see it's clearly in the front. It's in his pelvis. Anyways, that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining. I want to shout out to Immortal Karma. That is her video you just watched with this young man on there and all the narrations and everything. Go see it. It's matter of fact, it's called, let's see here. There it is. The Surviving Nature Boy. Is he a pedophile? Okay. And that's on YouTube. And then go to, I want to shout out a thank you to who the Grand. That's Grand on Instagram, where you've seen him talking about the battery pack and all of this. So anyways, do me a favor, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one. Peace and blessings.